Today's video brought to you in part by fried egg sandwich. We got ourselves here is a old Kawasaki 200 two-stroke. I just picked this up in Hammond, Louisiana from this guy who said he had acquired it from somebody, from a friend of his. He paid $400 for it from his friend. This bike was ridden daily at a hunting camp whenever the dude wasn't working, but I got it for $300. Now let me go over the problems it has. I just tried putting gas in it and the carb leaked it all over the floor. As you can see, I have my PP mat there in place, but I need to take the carb off of it, go through it. I already took the plug out. It was pretty disgusting. It's been sitting for a while, you can tell. But other than that, it needs a new seal or something, the dude was saying. I'm guessing it's the case gasket for the bottom end, which is a real easy fix. I mean, that's a $15 gasket right there. But anyways, other than that, everything's good except for the clutch cable. Needs to be adjusted. It needs a new front tire. This one's cracked, but it still holds air, so I'm gonna probably ride it. Back tire's in good shape. It's got, I think, aftermarket exhaust on it. I don't know. From this, no, this is original. Yeah, this is factory. Well, at least the silencer is. I'm not sure about the expansion unit there, but it claims it's got a FMF, so I guess that's a FMF expansion chamber. But it's in good shape. It's not all dented. I'll show you all the other side here. Here's the other side. You can see the carburetors. It was pissing gas out of it, so I'm guessing that the float in there is stuck. So we'll take the carb off and look at that. But the back brakes work awesome. Of course, I haven't, been up to speed on it yet. And this clutch cable looks like it can just be adjusted, and it'll be fine. But other than that, I still don't know what year it is. I gotta pull that gas tank off so I can look at the VIN number. But it's hot in here. I gotta go. Apologize. Alright, now we got the side panels and seat and crap off, we can see what we're dealing with here. As you can see, we got some mud inside the air box here. This thing was definitely ridden. I love their custom diamond plate. Yeah, this is definitely adult owned. Definitely not a kid's bike. It might have even been somebody's old lady's bike. Judging by the pink, that's gonna have to come off. But as you can see here, we have hookups for the back lights, and I guess this controls it. There's, I guess, no light unit in there. I bet that breaks a lot. Oh crap. Get that cleaned up. Alright, we're gonna get this carburetor pulled out of here now. Which of course requires a different tool. Looks like it's just got a regular old hose clamp on it. We're gonna have to cut the gas off. Fucking hard valve to do. Alright, also, I've never worked on a dirt bike before.
Sizable. Something over. Like, it's pretty good bike. Back when I used to know how to make them. It's air cooled 2-stroke, best.
Got one more bolt, different size. There we go. Now I can see. The best. The best. Alright, let's get this beach cleaned.